Most of us want to have it all without any sacrifice and patience. You want to be rich and enjoy life without the inconvenience of working hard, diligence, sacrifice, patience, and persistence. But here's the truth. Wealth gained hastily will dwindle, but whoever gathers little by little will increase it. That is from Proverbs 13-11. What you don't know is that the scammers in the system knows it too well. They are ready with products that will excite your instant gratification and entice you to get something for nothing. This will come in form of cheap houses, interest-free loans, cars without down payments, high return on small investments, jobs without qualifications, buy now and pay later, and you can add to this list. Don't fall for it. Now, here are 8 things that you need to know to avoid being cheated by the rogue scammers. The first one is greed. The prospect of gaining substantial wealth in a short period can cloud your judgment, leading you to overlook potential risks and eventually lose money. The second one is being overconfident. If you often believe you are smarter than average and you won't fall for scams, this overconfidence can make you an easy target for fraudsters. The third one is lack of financial literacy. If you lack an understanding of the basic financial principles, this will make it harder for you to differentiate legitimate investments from scams. Then we go to desperation. If you're experiencing financial hardship, you may be more susceptible to promise of quick returns. The urgency of your situation can make you more willing to take risks. The other one is herd mentality. If your friends, family, and respected individuals are investing, you might follow suit, believing there is safety in the numbers. Now let's look at the sophisticated scammers. These are fraudsters have come adept at seeming legitimate. They use professional-looking marketing materials, persuasive sales tactics, and exploit trust networks to draw you in. You should be aware of this. The other one is confirmation bias. Once you have invested and may only pay attention to information that confirms your belief that the investment is sound, while ignoring all other red flags. And the last one is fear of missing out. Seeing others supposedly making high returns can instill a fear of missing out on a once-in-a-lifetime opportunities. So here's my parting shot. Be vigilant. To avoid falling for such scams, you should be skeptical for any investment promising high returns with low risk, and seek advice from independent financial advisors. Thoroughly research any investment opportunity and learn to recognize common red flags associated with financial fraud.